Hi guys, my name is Beth and welcome to Beth Does Beauty. It is now the 7th of December, which means I am a week into opening my advent calendar from Lookfantastic, which means that we're going to be opening door number 7 today. So stay tuned while I get tucked in and we'll see what's behind door number 7. This sounds like a liquid. So I'm gonna say something like a spray or some perfume. I was way off. It's Rituals, the ritual of something ancient that I cannot say. It is a natural dry oil for body and hair and it's nourishing. I love a good Rituals product. I love the way they smell. Oh, this is almost like cinnamony smelling. Like floral, but there's a hint of cinnamon, so that makes it very winter spice like. 100% natural dry oil with nourishing sweet almond oil and basil. I wonder if that's where I'm getting like the cinnamony smell from the basil. So let's have a look at what the card says from Lookfantastic on day number 7. Restore inner harmony with this deeply nourishing hair oil and body oil that hydrates from head to toe. Infused with Indian rose and sweet almond oil, revitalize with this pampering dry oil. Apply to hair and body to energize body, mind and soul. Something like this probably wouldn't be put on my hair. I already have my hair oil down to a T so my hair doesn't look too greasy. But I would be willing to try this on my body to see where we go, especially in the winter months where the elbows start to get really dry and the skin on the hands starts to get very, very dry because of the winter air. So definitely willing to give this a go. That was what was behind door number 7, the Rituals body oil and hair oil. What did you guys think? Did you also get the Lookfantastic Beauty advent calendar? So what did you think of the Rituals oil? Do you also get that like cinnamony warm smell? Because it smells divine in the bottle. Let me know down below in the comments. And remember to check back because tomorrow is the 8th of December, which means box number 8 will be unboxed. Thank you for tuning in and I will see you tomorrow.